Chapter 3. The Book of Swamp Railways. He was safe for now in the attic. He continued looking for the Book of Swamp Railways, keeping quiet so he would never get caught from the rum-dums. He was just about to take his wand when he heard voices. "Harry," it said. It happened to be Ron and Hermione, who popped up from the bed. "Oh, hello, you two. I thought you'd be looking for me here. We found this Book of Swamp Railways you were just looking for. That book was never published. Thank goodness nobody ever knows about it. What have you been doing, Harry? We landed here when Celestia told us to find it. Hiding. Remember, we're not allowed in the Muggle world. Well, it's a good thing you said that. Look, what we've been doing." Hermione took out a bag of what seemed to be candy. "This bag belongs to some stranger who was here when the Gregorstones were alive." "Is that the same bag you store camp things?" "Yes, it is. The stranger must have lent it to us." Some smoke appeared. The bag seemed to have vanished. "That's not a bag, it isn't a real one," said Ron. "Nightmare Moon was formed. Thank you. I've been wanting that book to keep with me. I put it here a long time ago." "You're welcome, miss. Do you have some task to give us?" "Yes, because the rum-dums are after you. To tell them about the line to Tasman Sodor. They've planned to find you, so they will invade Tasman Sodor to stop them. You must find the Swamp Railway located in a graveyard. There's another book written by Tyndall Bagshot. He was a great friend to me and has told his tale about the old times he had before he died. He hid the book in the gravestone marked T.B., short for his full name and last name. Your quest starts when you leave this manor, which will fall apart. Don't let the rum-dums know what you're doing. Just lure them to the graveyard, so I can give them some unexpected surprise." She vanished, including the book. The three wizards were left alone, thinking of a way to get out of the manor. "Boy!" They heard Mr. Rum-Dum's voice below. "Those must be the rum-dums. I saw they were my Muggle uncle and aunt," said Hermione. "Your aunt and uncle, Hermione? Them?" said Harry, surprised. "Yes, and they hated my parents, and to be truthful, they died a long time ago. I'm sorry to hear you've got a bad uncle and aunt," said Ron. "Boy!" bellowed the voice again. "We'd better hurry and begin this quest, finding the other Book of Swamp Railways," said Harry. "They'll get to us at any minute." "You've got the cloak, Harry. Try it so we can get out of here. Here's this window. And we can't get down, we're too high up." "Good point, Ron. Come on, let's put the cloak on. End of chapter 3.